11/2/20. EVP recording right in the middle. First recording. He played at 88,200 hertz, 64-bit. I heard a banging noise in the kitchen earlier. And I said, if that banging noise in the kitchen, you Jeremy. This is not Jeremy that answers, but it's saying that banging noise was Jeremy. Over this, my speech is slowed down from the frequency increase. I'll speed it up.
You Jeremy? Someone made a bang in the kitchen earlier. Was that you, Jeremy?
Somebody else said it was Jeremy.